Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn about the subject-verb agreement in English grammar. In this video, we will learn the subject-verb agreement, the important rules to follow, and in the end, I will also give a practice question set that you need to solve and give us the answer in the comment section. I hope after this lesson, you will be able to score full marks in the provided exercise on subject-verb agreement. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Subject-verb agreement is the grammatical rule that the verb or verbs in a sentence must match the number, person, and gender of the subject in English. Learning the rules for subject-verb agreement can be difficult at first, but with enough practice, you will find they start to make more sense. In this video, we have explained everything you need to tackle any subject-verb agreement exercise you come across, including demonstrations of how they work with lot of subject-verb agreement examples. Now, let's start with the video. Subject-verb agreement means the verb must agree with the subject in number, that is singular or plural, and person. So, singular subject takes singular verb, and plural subject takes plural verb. Sounds simple? Not really. Let's understand this with the help of the rules. Rule number 1. Singular subjects take singular verbs. A singular subject needs a verb with s or es in present tense. For example, he drinks milk. Rule number 2. Plural subjects take plural verbs. A plural subject uses the base form of the verb. For example, they play football. Rule number 3. Two subjects joined by and take plural verb. For example, Reena and Meena are friends. As you can see, we have used are, that is a plural verb. Rule number 4. Either or and neither nor, that is singular plus singular, take singular verb. For example, either Ravi or Raju is coming. As you can see, is a singular verb. Next example. Neither Tina nor Reena has a book. As you can see, has is singular verb that we have used. Next is rule number 5. Verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. In either or, neither nor cases. For example, either the teachers or the principal is responsible. As you can see here, principal is singular, that's why we have used is instead of are. Next example, neither the teacher nor the students are available right now. As you can see here, since students was a plural verb, so we have used are instead of is. Rule number 6. Indefinite pronouns take singular verbs. Words like everyone, someone, each, everybody, anybody, nobody, someone are singular. For example, everyone is happy. Next example, each of the boys has a pen. Has a pen. Rule number 7. Plural looking nouns with singular meaning take singular verbs. For example, mathematics is interesting. It seems that mathematics is plural but it is singular, so it will take a singular verb. Next example, physics is difficult. Rule number 8. Titles of books, movies, countries, organizations use singular verb. For example, the United Nations is an international body. Rule number 9. Collective nouns can be singular or plural based on meaning. If the group acts as one unit, you will use singular verb. But if the group members act individually, you have to use plural verb. Let us understand with the help of examples. The team is practicing well. Here, the team is one unit, so we are using is. That is a singular verb. Second example, the team are wearing different uniforms. So here, we are talking about different team members' uniforms and we are treating them as individuals. So we are using are, that is a plural verb. Rule number 10. Quantities and periods of time use singular verb. You need to treat amounts of money, time, distance, etc. as singular units. For example, 5 years is a long time. Here, 5 years is treated as a single unit. Next example, 1000 rupees is a good amount. Now, let's practice this with the help of exercise. Here I am giving 5 questions. You need to fill in the blanks using either is or are. Solve this exercise and let us know the answers in the comment section. First question is the list of items dash on the table. You have to fill up this with either is or are. Next question, either Rahul or his friends dash going. Question number 3, each of the students dash present. Question number 4, the police dash investigating the case. Question number 5, 10 liters of water dash enough.